Welcome to The Short End, a collection of AudioKidsBooks. This is a short end presentation of how to make an an astronaut laugh. Gosh, this is a good book already. It's making me laugh. How to make an astronaut laugh. Wordplay Groundhog presents. Copyright 2022, all rights reserved. Book designed by Chris Kate. ISBN 979-884345-3640. Published by Wordplay Groundhog, wordplaygroundhog.com. How to make an astronaut laugh. A Wordplay Groundhog book. Do you know why astronaut jokes are the best? They're out of this world. What is an astronaut's favorite time of day? Lunchtime. It's supposed to be lunchtime. Lunchtime. What do you give a grumpy astronaut? Lots of space. I love it. How does the solar system hold up its pants? With an asteroid belt. Oh, love it. What kind of songs make planets want to dance? Neptunes. How did the astronaut get lost? He kept spacing out. Why is the sun jealous of the moon? The moon gets to stay up late at night. Why couldn't the astronaut visit the moon? The moon was already full. What kind of books do astronauts love to read? Comic books. See, man after my own heart. Where do astronauts go to learn about space? The university. Gosh. Why did the cow go to space? To get a better view of the Milky Way. Which stars are the most dangerous? Shooting stars. I wish I could tell you more jokes, but we are out of space, of course. Astronaut. More fun books by Wordplay Groundhog. How to make a ninja laugh. How to make a unicorn laugh. How to make a robot laugh. How to make a penguin laugh. How to make a pirate laugh. How to make a koala laugh. We're going to have to move on to the animals soon. I think we're out of all the other cool stuff. Wordplaygroundhog.com. Another joke was supposed to go here, but I spaced and forgot to plan it. Find more fun books at wordplaygroundhog.com. Thank you for listening. This has been a presentation of The Short End.